Speaker, I beg to move that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 33C, this House resolves to hold a morning sitting on Tuesday, 25th June 2024, commencing at 9:30 a.m. for purposes of considering priority business. Honorable Speaker, members will realize we have very crucial business ahead of us today, top among them being the continuation of the finance bill. Honorable Speaker, I must thank the Gen Zs also, because, Honorable Speaker, for the first time in the history of this House, especially this 13th Parliament, at 8:30 a.m., not less than 50 members were already logged in. So, if not for anything else, the Gen Zs have made members of Parliament to report to work very early. And it's a good thing. It's the beauty of our democracy, Honorable Speaker. And now that we reported this early, Honorable Speaker, to contribute to the finance bill, I am certain, if you look at the numbers, we may not have enough time to finish with the finance bill today and move on to the IEBC amendments from the Senate. And members will understand how crucial that business is. So we want to make sure that we have adequate time to complete the finance bill, the committee of the whole, without anticipating debate next week, and also be able to complete with the IEBC amendments from the Senate in time before we progress to the short recess that is due the following week. And Honorable Speaker, you are aware next week is the last week of this month, and we ought to have passed both the finance bill and the appropriations bill that are also lined up next week, which I will be speaking to later this afternoon during the usual Thursday statement. I therefore wish to appeal to members to support so that we have adequate time to process all this business. And I wish to request, I beg to move and request the Leader of Minority to second.